Broadway shows scheduled for tonight were canceled and will probably be canceled again tomorrow. Nearly 7,000 flights have been canceled because of the winter storm. As Brent Ramadna reports, passengers are not only worried about flying out, they're concerned about coming home. Brent?
Joe, while we'll probably never have a blizzard that will cancel flights here in Hawaii, that's not the case for the rest of the United States, as in the Northeast, those cancellations do have an impact on what we see sometimes here in Hawaii. Now, as far as what happened today, that was the case for one flight so far here at Honolulu International, as United Flight 14, which flies into Newark, New Jersey, was canceled. It was supposed to leave at 9:25 tonight. Now, this is the only flight that has been canceled so far or delayed, but there could be others as storm continues to move across the Northeast.
What I'm concerned about is will the plane coming, if the plane is coming from the East Coast or not, out here to Hawaii, to make sure that we have a plane to go back, to fly back. So I checked all of that out, and we're all good to go.
One part affects the other, especially near, the planes are flying back and forth, and if they can't get out of there, then they don't get to their West Coast destinations, and it just starts tying everything up.
And Hawaiian Airlines does fly to Newark 5 times a week, but not on Mondays or Tuesdays. They say their flights are not impacted just yet. Now, as far as airlines, they usually do send out a notification to passengers warning them of the cancellations or delays. So if you are heading out tomorrow, it would be good to check your schedule. Reporting live, Brent Ramadna, KHON 2 News.